Sup guys, welcome back. It's been a long time since I've made videos, but I want to get back, and I'm gonna be starting a new series today. It's gonna be based on the Stalker games, more specifically on the Stalker Clear Sky. If you guys don't know what Stalker is, it's basically a game where it's kind of like Fallout, where there's a radiation zone, where there's mutants and like anomalies and radiation storms, stuff like that. But there's also very cool systems in the game. That's what I want to get at. Not only the atmosphere and the level itself, but the kind of gameplay mechanics that they have. They have like factions AI, and like you can join each faction, and for you to join a faction you need to do missions for them, and then you got a rank within the faction. If you're a rookie, experienced soldier, then maybe you can be the leader, etc. That's the kind of thing that I want to make the game. As you can see, I have a third-person template opened. It's from Blueprints. I'm gonna make the game in third person. I have a bunch of assets that I want to use, but I'm gonna be making this project myself. I think I'm gonna make it alone, so making it first person and stuff would require more detail in the game and more animation and stuff like that. I can't do all of that myself, but I'm going to make it in third person because I already have a lot of third person animations and assets, and it's a little bit easier to do in third person when you're alone because you don't need as much detail in things. So I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna focus a lot in programming. The game is gonna be multiplayer, co-op, multiplayer, whatever you want, because then players are gonna go in the world and they can join the same faction, be in the same squad of that faction, and or be in completely different factions, and you can fight against each other. So this got potential to be a co-op game, even a multiplayer with a lot of players, joined with the artificial intelligence. So that's what I want to make the game. This is going to be a project that I'm going to be doing throughout the year. This is going to be my last year in uni, so I wanted to make a game by myself, something a little bit impressive, and I just wanted to make it public, so you guys can follow the tutorials, see how I do things. This is going to be for the future. If someone wants to hire me or something, they can see through here how I work and stuff like that. So it's a little bit of you guys can get a lot of help and how to do things, more advanced things in games. That's the kind of stuff that I'm going to be covering. I'm going to be trying to make things as more professional as I can, as I would if I got hired to do something. And you guys can follow along. I'm also going to have a Patreon up, so if you guys want to help me, you can go into Patreon, and I'm going to have the project files in there. So if you guys become a patron, you can have access to the files. I'm obviously going to program everything and explain everything in the video, so you don't have to, but you can get access to exactly how I have things and some assets that I'm going to be using. Obviously there's going to be some marketplace stuff in there, so you can't publish any games with it, but you can use it as a learning platform. And yeah, so I just wanted to make this video as an introduction to what I want to do, and talk a little bit about it. So you guys know that I made a lot of videos in the past. All of them, or most of them, are from multiplayer stuff. That's what I really want to focus. I want to focus on the programming of things, not as much on the looks of things. That's going to be kind of post-production thing to the game. My main focus is going to be the mechanics and how to program everything and put everything together, and the game design, the balance and stuff like that is going to be really important to me. So if you guys are interested in that, just tag along. It's going to be a long ride because this is going to it's going to take time to do, because it's going to be quite a big project. But I got time, and I'm going to be trying to work every day. So hopefully I'm going to have a lot of videos almost every day. At least I hope so. And yeah, I think that's everything that I wanted to say. Also, I'm gonna have some social media, so you guys can follow me. It's not gonna be any personal stuff, so if you guys want to follow stuff that I'm doing, hopefully when I release games or something like that, you guys can follow me there if you guys want. It's up to you. And leave me in the comments some feedback, ideas to the game, if you think it's a cool idea or not. Positive or negative things, I appreciate it. If you like the idea, leave a like and subscribe and stuff like that. You guys know. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.